Hi everyone, welcome to Yashoda Devi Gangadhar Kulgode College of Education Athani. Myself Shakil Ahmad Hakim, pursuing B.Ed first semester. Guidance Professor D.S. Patil. Topic DSCRT and DIET. These are dessert and diet. Introduction. Educational management refers to the administration of the education system in which a group combines human and material resources to supervise, plan strategies, and implement structures to execute an education system. We study management education in state level. Those are desert and diet. We will study one by one. Desert. It is expanded word is Department of State Educational Research and Training. Introduction. The DSERT was formed as a small academic unit of the Department of Public Instruction. It was then known as the State Institute of Education, and it is originally started functioning from the northern district town of Dharwad in 1964. It is the only department established to improve the quality of education. It is administered by Commissioner of State Public Education Department. There will be director and co-director. It is its headquarters are in Bangalore. Functions of DSCRT. First one, the colleges of education means B.Ed, and the education training institution means D.Ed. In the state are very concerned about the quality of education. Second one, provide service training to school teachers. Third one, implement UNICEF plans. Fourth one, train school teachers in career guidance. Fifth one, to train the teachers on the use of Daroc equipment. Sixth one is organizing workshops on useful ideas. Seventh one, competition on discovery of new technology methods at the state level. Eighth one, rewarding good essay and publishing them. Some of the main components of DSCRT. Those are first one is State Science Unit. Second one is State Education Training and Research Unit. Third one is State Educational Guidance and Advisory Unit. Fourth one is State Institute of Textbooks. Second one is in the main head, second one is DIET means District Institute of Education and Training. Introduction. Diets were established according to the provision of NPE National Policy of Education 1986 to organize pre-service and in-service courses for elementary school teachers and for the personnel working in non-formal and adult education. The purpose of the diet are first one stereotyping new teaching methods. Second one motivation to carry out new innovations. Third one organizing rehabilitation programs for service teachers. Fourth one in service training program for all primary school teachers in the district. Fifth one, pre-service training is on course. Sixth one, promoting academic subjects such as philosophy, sociology, psychology, technology training and specialize in different languages and colleges. Branches and functions of diet. Branches are, we can know one by one. A. District Resource Unit. B. Pre-service teacher education. C. Work experience. D. Planning and management. E. In-service programs, fields, interaction and innovation coordination. F. Curriculum, material development and evaluation. G. Educational technology. Now we can study one by one branches through their functions. A. District Resource Unit. Functions are one by one. Number 1. Education Quality Assurance Scheme. Number 2. Educate Guidelines on Education. Number 3. Ideas or tasks related to adult informal education. Number 4. Quality Resource Development, Field Work, etc. B. Pre-service teacher education. Functions are first one, training of primary teacher career aspirant. Number 2, designing teaching methods. Number 3, psychological guidance related to adult education. Number 4, implementation of child centered education. C. Work experience. Functions are number 1. Performance training using local resources. Number 2. Visit career areas and schedule their use. Number 3. Functional workers, etc. Number 4. Providing functional training to pre-service teachers. D. Planning and management. Functions are number 1. Presentation of Dhaya implementation related initiatives on universalization of primary education. Number 2. Activities such as school complex association assessment. Number 3. District educational plan and focus on achievement. Number 4. Training program for community and youth council. E. In-service programs, fields, interaction and innovation coordination. Functions are number 1. Quality training for service elementary teachers. Number 2. Resource training for those who can support primary education. Number 3. Incentives for innovations in education operations, etc. Number 4. Field work organization, extension work. F. Curriculum, material development and evaluation. Functions are number 1. To assist in the creation of informal and adult education curriculum. Number 2. Techniques and guild lines for continuous and summative learner evaluation. Number 3. Textbook analysis, etc. Number 4. Appropriate arrangements in the curriculum to accommodate local available situation. G. Educational technology. Functions are number 1. Technology usage training in education. Number 2. Use of audio, video, cassette, movie, slides. Number 3. Maintenance of equipment such as television, computer, sound recorder. Number 4. Making effective, affordable furnitures. Conclusion. We can conclude by saying that education management is this modern world is very necessary for a smooth running and growth of a healthy educational institutions. It should be noted that an efficient education administration is an essence for the efficiency and effectiveness. Thus, for success of education management, there must be adequate freedom and flexibility, discipline and necessary decorum should be maintained in the educational institutions. Thank you.